What's up?
Hey, can you teach me about Forex?
Oh God, one of y'all peoples again. What do you want to know about Forex?
First off, I want to know if I'm too old to start Forex.
Yeah, you kind of look old as dirt. How old are you?
I'm only 20.
Oh my God, this girl's only 20. So you out of high school? You got your GED?
I've been out of high school for a while.
Oh Lord. All right, I guess I can help you out.
All right, thank you.
Alright, listen, when it comes to Forex, listen, before we even talk about Forex, look, make sure you cop. Just go on the website, get your Sean Rico Forex, got the bull and the bear, so make sure you cop that. Also, just so you know, I just started my Discord page, so make sure you go on there, get some free signals. I'm only going to charge $20 a month. That's it. Do about maybe 2-3 signals a week. I try not to do too many signals because, listen, you don't need to trade that much in the market. Right, 2 or 3. I just want to make sure, you know, I get the best quality trades. And you look like you can't even afford $20. I'll just give you a discount. You can just get in free for like a week. And if you can't figure it out, then you just don't need to be in Forex.
All right.
All right. Now listen. Now when it comes to Forex, I can't believe somebody's coming. Look at that. I got all kind of people. Is that the president? Is that Joe Biden? Is that Joe Biden? I can't talk to right now, Joe. I know y'all probably think I'm crazy. Like, how you gonna hang up on Joe Biden? But listen, I've talked to Bill Clinton and others before. You'll get used to it once you get to this level. Now, little girl, honestly, the best time to really start trading is really in high school. Man, if you can start like around 9th, 10th, 11th grade, that's great. And y'all might be saying, well, why in high school? You're not even old enough to even trade. That's true. But listen, you can open up a demo account, a fake account. The reason why I say that is because it's going to take about 1, 2, 3, at least 2 or 3 years to really understand market structure. It's going to take you that long. But listen, start off in high school. Listen, the earlier you can learn, they say young people like you suck up stuff like a sponge. So listen, you can start around 9th, 10th grade, get a little demo account, learn, get about 2-3 years, get a real good mentor like me. Go ahead and sign up for my Discord. Ask to borrow $20 from your parents. Pay for my monthly subscription. Just skip out on some sodas and chips and you'll be good. Now, you learn about 2 to 3 years, right? That's how long it takes, 2 to 3 years, to really understand market structure, understand your higher highs, your lower lows, man, to learn about candles, your dojis, and I ain't talking about the karate doji. We ain't talking about that, right? We talking about doji candlesticks, all right? So it's gonna take 2 or 3 years, but by the time you 18, oh my God, with me underneath your belt, you going to be ready to trade. 2 to 3 years in high school, no later than 10th, 11th grade. Get 2 to 3 years on your belt. 18, you're going to be ready to go. All right. So that's the advice I'm going to give you. Once again, make sure you like, subscribe, get the merch. Listen, it don't have to be. Listen, I got the merch that don't say Sean Rico Forex. You can just get the bull and the bear. I got both of that. Just look in the link in the description below. Look in the description. You're going to see my Discord. $20 a month for signals. 2 to 3 signals a week. Listen, it's cheap. You ain't going to find it nowhere else. And I like to trade on the 4-hour. Listen, if you don't have patience, don't sign up. All right. Till next time, this is Sean Rico Forex. We out.